Welcome to my channel. I've actually been very excited to do this video for about 3 weeks now. So let me give you the backstory. I was cruising on Instagram one night and I saw an ad for chicken skins, and they're supposed to be like keto friendly and all this other kind of stuff. And I've heard of pork rinds before, but I haven't eaten pork since I was like 15 years old. So I remember what they taste like. They were kind of good, but I eat chicken, so I'm thinking that chicken skins, they gotta be good too, right? So I ordered some from a company called Flock. Can they see that? Flock. So it took them about 3 weeks to get to me. I ended up ordering 8 bags. So this is a 1 ounce portion of chicken skins. I have not tried these yet. The first time I put one in my mouth is gonna be right now. But just looking at the back of it, it's just made out of chicken skins, salt, and soybean oil. It's 180 calories in this little bag, which is actually more than just like an ounce of potato chips. 18% saturated fat, 27% cholesterol. Let's look at, oh, it's supposed to have 13 grams of protein though. So I think this is what caught my eye. And it's supposed to be a pretty good snack. I mean, I don't know. It says our premium and flavorful chips pack a delicious crunch that serve as a great on-the-go snack that can be eaten straight from the bag, as a salad topping, or even as an addition to, what is this word right here? Charcuterie? Is that I'll put the word up there for y'all. Charcuterie plate, whatever. That is hilarious. Spells a charcuterie plate. I don't have to look that up. Chicken skins, culinary seasonings, and a flock of goodness. Y'all ready? You ready? Okay. It smells like, you know how you fry chicken, and when you finish frying it, what your house smells like? That's what it smells like. Like, that's what I'm getting in my face right now. It looks like this. I'm scared now. The camera person is not supposed to be laughing. That's what it smells like. It smells like when you fry chicken in your house, what your house smells like after. Okay, so moment of truth. It's not too bad.
It looks like a piece, like someone, like when you take the skin off a piece of fried chicken.
And that's what it tastes like. That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like when you go to one of those chicken places and the skin is really crispy, and you take and pinch a piece of skin off. That's exactly what it tastes like. Could I eat this? No. It's just not appealing to me. It may be appealing to others, but Here, taste this, camera person. Just reach over. You don't have to get into the shot. Taste that and tell me what you think. Does it smell like chicken? Mm-hmm. That's my daughter off camera, guys.
Yeah, it tastes like when you like, it tastes like an old piece of chicken.
What does it taste like?
chicken and sit out, and then you come back.
Oh shit. I really wanted to like these, but I mean, I can get 13 grams of protein somewhere else. It's 180 calories. Yeah.
It's bland.
It needs some salt or something like that. No, I personally do not like them. Now, I don't know if they have any other. They do have other flavors, but this kind of did it for me. I really, really wanted to like this. I mean, you guys need to understand. I ordered it probably 3 weeks ago. It took a while to get here just simply because of how everything is with the mail and everything. So, I mean, that's understandable. But I've been waiting and I was expecting for my mouth to just explode with flavor. And, yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like an old piece of chicken.
An old piece of chicken.
It's not making the cut.
Yeah, I wouldn't want this on a salad or straight from the bag or in addition to the charcuterie plate. I'll have to look up that word because I don't know what that means. Y'all have to excuse me. Yeah. No. I'm sorry. I'm kind of tasting it and I'm feeling it and I think it's gonna burp up nasty too. You don't like it either? Yeah, it's gonna be a no for us, guys. I'm sorry. I really wanted to like this. No, I'm gonna pass. Judah! Judah!
Yeah.
You got a shirt on?
Yeah.
The camera is rolling. I want you to taste this. Here, taste that.
This looks promising.
It's not. Taste it.
Tastes like kettle chips.
Kettle chips?
Mm-hmm.
So you like these?
I eat them.
He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
You'll eat those? It's like 7 bags over there. Have at it, sir. Here, take this bag with you.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. They taste like kettle cooked chips that taste like chicken.
Kettle cooked chips that taste like chicken. Okay, so my son likes them. So maybe it's just my personal palate. He took the bag in the room with him. And are you gonna have all 7 bags?
Probably.
You got, okay, so.
You come in flavors?
They do come in flavors.
Okay, this is good.
That's good. He likes it. So I guess I'm the crazy one then.
His taste buds is nasty.
You don't like it?
Oh,
Okay.
it's nasty.
Well, it's 2 against 1. So we're gonna go with we don't like it. Try it for yourself. It's gonna be a no for me. I'm sorry. Maybe I need to try another flavor or something, but it's just not. Ugh.
Bro, these are good.
You like those?
These are good.
The box is over there.
You just don't.
Just here. The whole box is over there in the corner.
You like those? What the?
Well, it tastes just like fried chicken flavored kettle cooked chips.
There you have it.
The box right there.
What about it?
If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. You're taking the whole thing? Let me see.
Anybody else gonna eat some?
I don't think so. Flop chips, my son loves them. So here we are.